is the beginning of a new year. 2022 is finally upon us, as weird as it sounds, and I'm still not used to saying it. But anyway, at the beginning of each year, I always like to schedule and plan out the next steps in my tattoo journey. And it got me thinking that, you know, not only do I get asked a lot like, hey Mike, what's your next tattoo you're gonna be getting? Or do you have any future tattoo plans? And I actually do. So I figured in this video, we talk about my tattoo goals that I'm gonna be getting in 2022. I thought it would be a fun video idea, so let's just jump right into it. By the way, these are blue light glasses. It's supposed to help your eyes, and that's why I'm wearing them. Now, I first want to start off by saying that 2021 was a huge step in my tattooing journey. So I managed to get this whole sleeve done. It was a lot of hours under the needle, and my tattoo artist, Matt Doherty, he was just absolutely phenomenal at it. Like, he killed this thing, and just having this sleeve alone for you know, it's been less than a year since I had it, but having this sleeve alone has literally like changed my life. Like, tattoos really do build your confidence up. I love my black and gray sleeve with a passion as well, but this sleeve, it just pops so much, and I've been getting compliments like out in public about it. And you guys in the Evolve community that watch the videos, you guys always comment and say nice things about it. And I just wanted to add that in there. But now let's get into my main goal in 2022, my main tattoo goal. Now this piece, or these pieces, I guess you would say, have been in development for a while now. Every time I go and get a tattoo done, while I'm getting my current tattoo, I'm always talking about the future tattoos with my tattoo artist, kind of just brainstorming with them. I mean, you're sitting there for hours with your tattoo artist. Why not bring up, you know, some other ideas on tattoos that you might want to get? But anyway, one of my main tattooing goals is to get my chest done. Now, for you guys that have been a long time viewer and watch my videos, you might know about what I'm planning on getting. I have my black and gray sleeve on this arm, wrong arm, and my color Dragon Ball sleeve on this arm. And I am a huge fan of like the Hakai Japanese style sleeves. And I just think they look so awesome. So what I plan on doing is connecting both of my sleeves together, and they go onto my chest. What I plan on doing is, for my Dragon Ball sleeve, have my sleeve tattoo connect onto a Shenron piece. For you guys that don't know who Shenron is, it's the, you know, Japanese dragon that comes out of the Dragon Balls in Dragon Ball Z. And I just said dragon a lot. And it's all gonna be connected to the sleeve. Me and Matt, we talked a lot about it. He already came up with the design, and it just, I cannot wait for that thing. It's gonna take a lot of hours. I think he said it's gonna be about 4 sessions total for the whole chest piece. And I couldn't be any more excited than I already am. It's gonna be a huge piece. And also on this side of my arm, remember, so I got the black and gray sleeve on my right arm. I plan on getting a portrait black and gray style dog of my dog Sirius on my chest. Now, we haven't really looked into it that much. It's a little bit more difficult than, say, like the Shenron colored dragon piece, because my dog Sirius, I'll pop a picture up right here. He is just a pure black German Shepherd. And, you know, black and gray with a black German Shepherd, it might be a little bit difficult, and I need to get the right picture of what I want to get, like the right picture of the portrait, like the reference picture of Sirius. And I haven't decided on which one I want. The way I'm picturing it and the way it's going to flow into one another is really cool. And, you know, I'm giving Matt, my tattoo artist, creative reign on how he wants to connect the two, because it might be a little bit difficult, because one side's going to be black and gray and the other side's going to be color. But I have total confidence and faith, and I trust my tattoo artist 100%. So Matt, if you're watching this, I trust you, buddy. And the one thing about the Sirius portrait of my dog, the portrait that I want to get, is that yes, it's going to be in black and gray, but also my dog has these really beautiful golden eyes that I want to make sure Matt incorporates into the piece, the chest piece. So I'm just picturing it in my head, and it just gets me so much more excited, and I cannot wait to get this whole piece done. And aside from me being super excited to just have that, you know, like that complete like sleeve chest piece look, which I absolutely love, it's also going to be a cover-up tattoo. If you don't know, I have a couple words going across my chest. It was my first tattoo, and it's pretty common for people to regret their first tattoo. I was young. It was something that I just got at the spur of the moment. And I talked to Matt about it, and he said the designs that I want and that we already discussed will be able to cover up the words. So not only am I excited to get, you know, the tattoo in general, but I'm also excited to get just this thing removed. That's my main goal, my main tattoo goal of 2022. Now, another one of my tattoos that I plan on starting, I don't think I'm gonna finish in 2022, but I plan on starting it, is I want to get 2 leg sleeves. I'm a huge fan of leg sleeves. I always been. I just think they look so friggin' awesome. And I cannot wait to have mine done. But anyway, I want to get a Harry Potter leg sleeve on my right leg. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I grew up with the movies. I'm a super fan of Harry Potter. And me and Matt, we also talked about this design, and I plan on getting it not so much in black and gray, but if you guys know about Harry Potter, the older movies, like the last couple, when they start having like that like little gray wash, you still see some colors of like red, blue, green, but they're like grayed out a little bit. This was actually Matt's idea, my tattoo artist. He said, why don't we do the whole leg sleeve in that kind of like color? And I was, you know, when I thought about it, I'm like, that's a phenomenal idea. So we're gonna do like almost like the diluted colors throughout the whole leg piece, but then have pops of color in like, say, like the spells and different colors and stuff like that. So I'm super excited about that. I plan on getting one of those sleeves that have a bunch of different characters on it, kind of like how my Dragon Ball sleeve is. And some of the designs that my tattoo artist looked at already and we talked over, oh my God, I cannot wait for this thing. Like one of the designs, I'm gonna be getting Hogwarts Castle, and it's gonna, you know, have that like diluted gray color throughout the whole castle, but then have like the yellow like light penetration coming from inside of the castle shining out of it. I'm getting goosebumps thinking about it right now, but it's going to take a while. I mean, leg sleeves take longer than full arm sleeves because the legs are bigger. You know, once I start it and get it done, man, I'm gonna be one happy camper. Now, if you wanna watch more tattoo related content, be sure to check this playlist out right here. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.